more participation may be allowed as far as FPIs are allowed within the non-agri commodity space. Well, Vamakshi has dug up more details on this particular development and what it can mean for MCX. Vamakshi, over to you.
Well, absolutely, Vivek. Now in his comments, he said that they would be that there is a proposal to allow FPIs to trade in non-cash settled non-agri commodities. Derivative contracts is currently under examination. Now, keep in mind that this is important because as of now, FPIs are allowed to only trade in cash settled non-agri commodity derivatives as well as their indices. Now, in the annual report that came in from SEBI on August 12th, they said that they would be considering reviewing the existing framework, and they would also explore alternatives to allow FPIs and non-cash settled non-agricultural commodity derivatives, which is what the SEBI chairman had indicated in his comments today. Now, why is this important? That is because currently FPIs are only allowed to trade in the cash settled contracts. Therefore, they largely trade in crude oil as well as natural gas. Now, analysts say that FPI share would be around 5% in total volumes and 8% in the energy basket. Now, with the regulatory approval, if that does come into trade in the non-cash settled non-agri commodities, they will also be able to participate in bullion as well as base metals. Now, the other comment that came in from the SEBI chairman was that they will continue to engage with the government to resolve GST-related challenges for participants who wish to receive or deliver commodities. Now, analysts have largely suggested that GST-related issues have always prevented offtake in volumes which are delivery-based, like in gold and silver. So overall, his comments are extremely positive for MCX, and that is because it will give a boost to liquidity. It will help in deepening India's commodity markets, and therefore, volume uptick for MCX could be expected in the long run. So, that is the development around MCX, and resultantly, the stock is flying high in trade today.
Explains the move on MCX. Thank you so much, Vamakshi, for joining us with what this could mean for the stock and the company overall.